Personality. Personality. It is a patterned body of habits, traits, attitudes, and ideas of an individual as these are organized externally into roles and statuses and as they related internally to motivation, goals, and various aspects of selfhood. Personality, Latin word persona, means a mask. Definition: Robert Park and Ernest Burgess. Personality is a sum of organization of those traits which determine the role of the individual in the group. Allport. Personality is the dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological systems that determine his unique adjustment to his environment. Types of personality. Intelligence. Intelligence, its Latin word intellectus or intelligentia, to comprehend. Father of intelligence, Alfred Binet. Brown. Intelligence is the ability of an individual to adjust himself to the conditions that arise in his environment. Wechsler. Intelligence is the aggregate or global capacity of the individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively within his environment. Psychologist. Abstract intelligence, ability with ideas, as in language, mathematics, science, words, numbers. Example: professional people. Mechanical intelligence, understand things as in skilled trades as much as as much of science, manual skill combination. Example: skilled labor. Social ability, understand person mixes with people. Salesman, minister, diplomatic. Measurement of intelligence. The individual's inner dynamic and trait must be understood and measured by standard test and observation. Validity, reliability, objectivity, standardization. Standard Binet scales. French psychologist Alfred Binet, later revised by an American psychologist L.M. Terman. Intelligence quotient IQ, developed by William Stern. Factors affecting intelligence: heredity and environment. Physical body to be developed with inherent capacity, while elven provides for maturation and training for organism. Age: a person who is bright or dull in childhood tends to remain bright or dull throughout his life. Health and physical development: sex, race, culture, social and economic conditions. Thank you.